Hey, moving apps on your own Roku 4K Smart TV and rearranging your home screen layout is really super easy. So today I will show you exactly how you can organize and customize your Roku home screen in the quickest way possible. So first, from your Roku home screen, go to the apps and input section and where you can see all your installed apps. So if the apps aren't arranged the way you like and now you want to customize them, just select the app and now press the star button on your Roku remote. After pressing the star button, the app menu will pop up with several options. And then if you want the app to stay at the very top, you have to choose the option Move App to Top. And instantly you will find that your selected app will be placed at the top of your app list. And now I'm going to show you if you want move an app anywhere else on the screen, just press the star button again and just select Move App. You will see arrow indicator around the app. Just use your remote to move it wherever you want, and once your positioning is perfect, just press OK to set it place. And that's it. This is how you can move, rearrange, and organize apps on your own Roku 4K Smart TV to match your own style and preference. Isn't it really amazing? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.